Hello, this is Michael Porter, and today with Video Solutions with your MindFit and the SMT, you're going to learn the difference between streaming and credits. We're specifically going to focus on credits today, and as it points out here, how to use your credits, and then as a reminder, your credits don't expire. When you purchased your MindFit, you were given a certain amount of credits, and we'll show you where that is today, as well as how to use your credits. So when you purchased the MindFit and you got the app downloaded, probably were streaming sessions and listening to your free downloads. But those credits that you got, today we're going to show you how to put those credit purchases on your MindFit so you'll have those forever. So let's first go to a web page because we're going to have to log in on a browser first. So we'll pull up any browser, and what you want to do, I've already got this saved, but what you'll do is you'll type in www.self-masterytechnology.com, and when you type this web address in, this is the page that comes up. First thing you want to do is log in, and just use the email address that you gave us originally and the password that was given to you. And when you type in the password, go ahead and log in. When you log in, you go to My Orders, and when you go to My Orders, you're going to see your credits history, available credits. So in this MindFit purchase, the individual was given 10 credits. So these available 10 credits now can be used. So after looking through the SMT sessions, let's click on this link as an example. Let's say the person was listening to something in the health series, specifically maybe sleeping habits. And let's say, whoops, let me click back here. Let's say they wanted to use this process number 4, sleep deep and let go of unwanted fears forever. This is something that they really resonated with and wanted. So you go ahead and click on this. And when you click on that thumbnail, the page pops up that shows you the session you wanted. And you'll see here it says, click here to download with credits. So as long as you have credits in your account and you go to this Self-Mastery Technology audio sessions, you'll be able to download with those credits. And as long as you're on the streaming, you'll see this here also. If your subscription has expired, you will not be seeing this. So again, all you have to do is click here to download with credits. And we're waiting for the page to load. So the page has loaded, and what we'll do is we'll check and see if the credit purchase was downloaded. So what we'll do now is what you'll also see here, depending on the computer you have, it's going to ask you to save the download to your desktop. So I'll go ahead and save that right now, and I'll save it in a file. So you'll also have a copy of those credits on your desktop or your laptop or the tablet you might be using. So I'll minimize that. It's already downloaded. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the phone. I'm going to click the credit purchases, and let's see, there it is. So the session we just downloaded, ISO 4, Sleep Deep and Let Go of Unwanted Fears Forever, right here, is now downloaded. So let's go back out of the phone here. So when you come in, actually one more thing, let's go back to credit purchases. So now what you need to do is we'll click on that session specifically, and what you want to do is you want to go down here to download it also on your phone. an image is on your phone right now. So what we'll do is we'll click this little arrow down here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and now it's going to start downloading the file. So depending on the connection that you have, this could take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute or two. When I did it earlier, it didn't take much time at all. So now when you're downloading this file, it'll be on your device. And if you also have a tablet that you're using outside of your phone, you're going to have to do the same thing. Each device, you're going to need to download it on each device. There isn't a cloud that mirrors and syncs with each of your devices. So with each device that you have, all you'll need to do is go back, like we did, into those credits, into those sessions, click on that and download it to each device that you have. Now, based on the sessions that you'd want to listen to, again, you can go through and pick out any 9 that you'd want. You don't have to do it right away. As we said, those credits don't expire. The only issue is if your streaming has expired, then you'll have to re-up for another month to go back through and listen to the ones that you may not have had a chance to listen to. That way you can get the credits that you'll need, the sessions that you want. So again, we'll give this a few more minutes from a download standpoint so that you can see what it looks like. But basically what's going to happen, instead of seeing that arrow, you're going to see an X on this box right here. It's real important that when you push play here, when you go to the session, clicking here will accidentally, if you do that, you're going to erase it from your tablet or phone or whatever you're using. So you'll go back and redo that. Okay, so everything's done now. As you can see here, we'll go back on the phone. When I go to this session, it's loaded, as you can see here earlier. And when I go to the next session, these are both on my device now. So that's how simple it is. You simply just, we'll go back through it here one second. All you basically have to do is go to my orders, and you can see now I have 9 credits available because I just used the one. And basically just go back to your SMT audio sessions. You click on that. You go through any one of the categories that you've already listened to and that you know is something you want to save. And let's say you have something in lifestyle and you're interested in stress reduction. So you'll click on stress reduction and you want to create your enchanted forest for stress reduction. So all you'll have to do is click on this. And again, click here to download with credits. That's all you have to do. It'll download onto your desktop, which you'll save, and it'll also be downloaded onto your device. And you'll click here where that arrow was just to download it back to your device. So hopefully that helps anyone who had issues with what is the difference between streaming and what's the difference between credit. So this helps you understand your credit purchases. Thank you.